A plumbing tip for you: whenever you get, sometimes you get some copper pipe with the SKU tag on it or a sticker on it, and you get some residue. And right now I'm just going to cut this off and throw that away. But sometimes you get in a position where you really need to put a fitting on that piece of pipe. Watch this. Just burn it off. That's hot.
Yeah, that's hot.
But it's gone.
It is gone.
It's gone. See that? How it's gone? Might be a little bit right there, maybe. I get it. That's not even sticker residue right there. So that's how you do it. Burn the sticker off. I'm gonna sand this to show you, because if the sticker was still on there, that little spot right there would be gooey. That's just a spot in the copper. Watch. Zero goo, right? It's gone. Really clean.
Nice.
So that's your plumbing tip. Burn the stickers off. You're good to go.